Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasucat with AutoCAD 2D Modeling Practical Exercise number 19. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification for our new tutorials. You can get this reference image from our site mufasucat.com. Okay, we start now. Open your AutoCAD software and I will create line start from this point to the right 56. Okay, I will zoom and extend. We create line start from this middle point to the bottom 600. I will create line start from this point to the bottom 7, to the left 1.7, to the bottom here 14, and then to the right 1.7, to the bottom 18, to the left 1.7. The last is to the bottom here about 31 and enter. Okay, we create line start from this point to the right and start from this point to the bottom here. Move this line object to the right 75.4 and move this line object to the bottom 28 and enter. I will create a ARC object start from this point with endpoint at this point, radius 137 and enter. Use circle command. We create circle with tangen. You can click at this object and this object. Okay, radius about 30 and enter. I will trim this circle object and this object. Okay, you can select this two line object and delete. We create line start from this point to the right 30, to the bottom 31. Okay, use a fillet with radius 30. You can select at this corner. I will create a line start from this point to the right about 8, to the bottom 45, and to the left 8, to the bottom here 85, and to the right 8 again, to the bottom 45, to the left 8, to the bottom again 142. Okay, we create line to the right 8 and the last to the bottom here 67 and move to the left 40. Okay, and I will click in here. Okay, you can use trim command to cut this line object, and I will select this line object, delete. We create line start from this point to the top 10, and then I will create a RC object start from this point with the endpoint at this point, radius about 485 and enter. Okay, select this line object and delete. Use a fillet command with radius 25. You can select at this corner. Okay, we fillet again with the radius 4. Use a multiple option. I will select at this corner. Select in here too. Okay, at this corner. And we select in here. Okay, the last in here. I will use a fillet command again with the radius 0.6 with multiple option. You can select at this corner and select at this corner. Okay, the last we select at this corner. Use a fillet with radius 2. You can select at this corner, and we already finished to fillet the object. I will select this line object and delete. Okay, next I will use a join command to join this all object. Enter. This object not joined yet. I will join again this two object and enter. And we already join this object. Use offset command with distance 3. We can select this object and select inside here. Okay, I will create a line. Start from this point to the top here. And use a trim command to cut this two line object and this line object. Okay, use a join command to join this object with this line object and enter. I will use offset command again. Offset with distance 3. Okay, I will select this object and select inside and enter. Use line tab command. Okay, here line tab. I will choose a new line tab, this line. Okay, and okay, you can select these three objects. Right click properties. I will change the line tab into this line and change scale into 0.3 and close this properties option. Okay, we already create this object, new line tab. And use mirror command to mirror this all object. Start from this point to the top here. And finally we will create a line object. Start from this point to here. Okay, you can create a line object one by one. Okay, start from this point to here. From this point to here. Okay, from this point to here. Let's we create in here, and then in here. Okay, I think it's enough today for AutoCAD 2D modeling practice exercise number 19, how to make a 2D gallon. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another AutoCAD 2D modeling practice exercise number 20.